our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line. Whoa, look at the planes.
And jets. And helicopters. We know you're gonna win, Rocket.
You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever. Rocket is really, really fast. Are you fast? Wow. Rocket is singing his special race song.
Hooray for Rocket! La 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 la. What's the matter, Rocket?
Oh no! Look at that big jet!
Wow, he's so fast.
Don't be nervous, Rocket. You're gonna win this race. I know it. Huh?
Rocket, what are you doing?
Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to get ready for the Great Sky Race.
Wait a minute. Rocket has the hiccups.
Oh, no! Have you ever had the hiccups? Rocket's never had the hiccups before. Rocket, let's land. Every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards.
But the race is going to start soon. Rocket can't be in the Great Sky Race with Rocket hiccups. But how do you fix Rocket hiccups?
Stopping Rocket hiccups must be sort of like stopping Kid hiccups.
When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away.
That's a great idea, Annie. We've got a mission. We're going to surprise the hiccups out of Rocket so he can win the race.
Yay! How should we surprise Rocket?
Check your local TV listings for full episodes.